गोडेकांत एक्टिविस्ट पयलो तो आमचो फादर. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी सॅड डे, वेरी डार्क डे फॉर एवरीवन इनवॉल्व, इरिस्पेक्टीव ऑफ द रिलीजन. जावं ते आमचे हिंदू भाव भयण, क्रिस्तांव भाव भयण आनी मुसलमान भाव भयण, आमी सगळीं दुखेंत आहाय. वी आर ऑल मोर्निंग एज गोवन्स. I am at a loss of words, to be very honest. I had the privilege to meet him a couple of times. And गेले बाणाले कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी एक दोग जाण बरे ना जाल्ले त्याच दिसांनी, आनी हांवें ताका फादराक चोयला ICUन. सो आय एम स्टील एट अ लॉस ऑफ वर्ड्स because that memory is flashing where he was on that bed, and we as strong fans of father, we couldn't do anything. We were helpless seeing him on the bed lying there. So it's a very very sad day. I'm honestly at a loss of words. I've seen him now. I just wish and pray the Almighty opens his heavenly doors for father. And as Govans, we are at the strongest loss because such a personality, such a human being will not come back. We have to only pray for his soul to rest in peace.
Thank you, sir.